In this video we want you to know how to delete several photos, videos, likes or comments from Instagram at once. Likes or comments from Instagram, so you don't have to go photo by photo to do this project. It's a simple process, since we are going to use an internal Instagram option that makes it very easy to do this. Makes all this much easier, although it is not very well known. The first step to delete several comments, likes, and replies to stories, go to in the section * your Instagram activity. To do this, you have to go to your profile in the application and click on the menu button at the top right. This will open a menu in which you will have the Your Activity option, which is the one you have to click on. In this part you have several sections, each of them to show a different activity history with specific things you have done on Instagram. Different activity history with specific things you have done on Instagram. Click on the Interactions button, which is the one to see how you've interacted with other Instagram users. The next step is to enter the type of interaction that you want to delete, such as for example comments or likes. Here you will see the history of all these interactions, as well as the history with all your comments. Here what you can do is click on the Select button and then select several comments you want to delete and then click on several comments you want to delete and click on the Delete button. We have done this with comments, but it works the same way with likes and replies to stories. How to delete several posts, reels and videos. The first thing you have to do is go into the * your Instagram activity section. Go to your profile in the app and click on the menu button at the top right. This will open a menu in which you will have the Your Activity option, which is the one you have to click on. You will enter a screen where you have several sections, each one of them to show a different activity history with specific things you've done on Instagram. Here, click on the Photos and Videos option, which is the one that serves to enter your history of your posts. You will enter a screen where you have the 3 types of content you can manage. You will be able to see the content of each type and delete one or more posts at a time. To the type of publication you want to delete, such as your publications or your reels. Publications or your reels. And this will take you to a screen where you will see the history of all these posts. At there, you can click on the Select button and select several posts you want to delete and click on the Delete button. You want to delete and click on the Delete button. We have done this with posts and videos, but you can also do it with reels. It works the same way.